What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over XRP, guys. Hey, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Currently, we're sitting at $1.26. We're up about 11.2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 54.12 billion. 24-hour volume is 7.35 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Incredible benefits, including their Visa card. You see $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, let's hop into the 1 hour time frame. So we've had an extremely juicy breakout for XRP. I did enter a trade. I did decide to close my position. Usually I record the percentage and stuff like that, but I'll just throw the daily close up on the screen here. So we had our breakout with Bitcoin, and XRP just shot up about 16%. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full length tutorial. Please have some experience with trading and sign up to receive all those juicy bonuses in the comment section. All right, guys, so we're back above the EMAs here. There is something that I want to make you guys aware of with the volume here. You can see here with the volume, when we started to break out, we had a nice increase in volume, and the volume is starting to taper off, and the price is continuing to rise, and that is a signal that you're going to see some sell-off. That doesn't mean that the price won't come a bit higher here, maybe test our previous high. However, when you start to see the volume coming out of the market and the price is still rising, the price can't continue to push up. It will eventually correct. So that is just a little something I wanted to make you guys aware of. It would be healthy for us to come back and test the previous swing high right here, right around $1.17, which is also the golden ratio here. So we're going to jump over to the 4 hour time frame. So our XRP is looking so strong. You can see here we came down, we broke the 20 EMA, we bounced up to 55, and once again we came down, we broke the 20 EMA, we bounced off to 55. Incredible strength. XRP simply does not correct as hard as it pumps, as I've been saying many times on this channel. And as you can see here on the 4 hour chart, even if we were to come up and pump up and we were to break this high, we'd be creating a bearish divergence. The RSI might come up to about 70, and you would have a pretty significant bearish divergence depending on where the RSI came up to, but I don't see it coming much higher than about 70 on the RSI. So we could see a small correction here in the market. You can see here, see all this volume, see all this beautiful volume that pushed the price off, and you can see how the volume is starting to taper off. So if the volume continues to decrease while the price is rising, eventually the price will decrease as well. All right, guys, but your next target is $1.46. I wanted to pop over to the daily chart here. Just going to quickly remove these lines. You can see it on the daily as well. If we were to come up and break this high, we more than likely create a lower high in the RSI and create that bearish divergence here. So we can see here with XRP, we didn't even come down to the 20 EMA on the daily. That's how strong it was. We came down, we've made some structural support at $1.08, and we just pumped right back up here. So if we were to see a bit of rollover here and came back to $1.17, that would also allow the 20 EMA to catch up here on the daily. Now, I'm not saying we won't see a further pump and maybe even break this high here, but I do think a correction and a backtest of support is imminent. It's just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. Just because the volume is tampering off a little bit, and I noticed with Cardano as well, there was quite a few bearish divergences, so I do think a small correction would be healthy here. So if we look at XRP here on the weekly, we have broken away from the 20 EMA by quite a bit. Look here, guys, when we really broke away from the 20 EMA, what happened? We had a major correction. So it would be healthy for us to see a small correction here and some consolidation to allow the EMAs to catch up here on the weekly. So your next price targets are up here. I would do your previous swing high, which is at $1.35. Let's give it a little price target here. And then we have the 0.786, which is at $1.46. But we can see here the volume is starting to taper off. So I think a small correction is imminent, in my opinion, just to retest this swing high. Could be at about $1.19, or possibly the golden ratio here at about $1.17. Would be healthy, guys. We're looking really strong for XRP and for the entire market. If we were to lose $1.17, I will drop in $1.08, where we found our strong level of support, but I think it's more likely of us bouncing off $1.17 or the previous swing high here at about $1.19, or possibly on the 4 hour chart we'll find support along the EMAs here. on the 4 hour. You can see here, even if we came down to about $1.19, that's where we'd find support here on the 4 hour chart. About $1.19, $1.20, and XRP has been beautifully holding the support of the EMAs on the 4 hour chart. All right, guys, big shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting all kinds of chart patterns. We also have rooms for all our popular coins. We have ADA, we have XRP, and many, many more. It's the price of a coffee, over 1,000 members strong. You can sign up through the Patreon. That's it for this one, guys. Follow me on social media and make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.